Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
I think that was something that Vinil should really answer. He's the director. I never take acting. When it's a director, I always leave it to the director to execute his vision. So he will answer why he wanted Siddharth in Pariniti. He's been put on the spot. Come on, Vinil.
I think when you wrote the script, Pariniti was somebody who really fitted the character really well. So I was always very keen on her. It took some convincing, some chasing, and stalking. And finally we managed to get on board. Student of the Year had just come out, and Karan introduced me to Siddharth. And I thought there was a very exciting possibility to kind of treat him in a very different way from what we had seen him in SOTY. So that was the fun and the challenge for me to kind of see the character in Siddharth. And we needed somebody very who could be very earnest, who could be, of course, good looking, and also I thought there's a lot of acting I could push him to do in this film. So fortunately he agreed. There was a long interview. He interviewed me a lot, but finally he did consent, and after many nervous moments, we finally had the cast in place.
Hi, Karan. Hello, here, middle, center.
Hi.
Hi, Karan. My question is to you, and the question is that in all your interviews, recent interviews, you have been saying that you find it increasingly difficult to make a love story. What was about this story that completely seduced you so that you would lend your support to this film?
I actually find it very difficult to write a love story anymore. I think I've lost that innocence, which I had when I wrote Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or Kal Ho Na Ho. For some reason, I'm feeling my love scenes that I write seem very synthetic and artificial. So whenever I read a truly, organically, honest love story, it always moves me to make it. When I read Vinil's script that is being scripted by his friend Harsh as well,
Where is Harsh? Harsh can come on, he's here.
I was completely bowled over by the quirkiness and yet the moving quality that the screenplay had. It was quirky, it was kind of off the cuff, yet it moved me towards the end. And that rarely happens, The quirkiness was phantom, and the slight tear in the eye in the end was dharma. So I felt that eventually it was really a grand collaboration, and no better script could justify this combination of producers better than Hasi To Basi.
Yes. Had you ever thought to direct?
Had you ever thought to direct it even?
I wasn't given the option. I might have liked to, but it came with the director. And Vinil is somebody I had ironically worked with already. So I knew his craft, I knew his ability. And he was so attached to the material that there was no way that anybody else should have directed it but Vinil.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.